Hi, today we're going to talk about how to create sales order under SQL. We will do it as scenario and CV as a tutor and Mr. Vincent as a customer. Let's start.
Hi, CV. I just want to ask, after I receive the purchase order from my customer, what should I do on the next step?
Okay, once you receive your purchase order, where is your sales order? So you can come to sales and you go to sales order and click on new and select your customer, let's say alpha and beta, and mouse clicking on sales order, right click and transfer for quotation. So from here we can transfer by whole document or by partial item. We will demo as a partial. Okay, let's say antenna quotation dash 00022. This one, if order for 5, if confirm, then ticket 5. If let's say credit prepare, it only confirm for 4 unit only, then you click on 4 and press enter. After that, and press OK. So once transfer, it will be printed out and the font color will be in green color. So let's say if you have additional order, you can no need to go back quotation. You can just come to the insert or plus button here and click it on and select the item you wish to add on. So you just key in and put in the figure. After done and save.
So, is it any way to set my delivery date for remind?
Oh, for delivery date, if you didn't found any delivery date here, it's okay. You just come under the beside item code here. There's a small icon. Click on here and tick the delivery date. So it will show out and you can assign the delivery date accordingly. So let's say you want to deliver as at 17th of February 2015. After you assign and just save it.
But some of my customer will pay me the deposit before I deliver. How I going to key in this sales order?
Okay, for deposit, actually we can go to edit and under sales order bottom part, you can see deposit receipt tools. Okay, so you have to click on the deposit into here, choose your payment method, let's say Maybank, and you receive a check from a PBB bank, and you just key in the check number, and let's say they only pay for 50 ringgit as a deposit. Just key everything and save it will do.
Okay, after save it, is it any way easy for me to check my stock balance?
Yes, there is. We have a feature called F11. You can seek for your keyboard and click on F11. So it will prompt this dialog box. So this is a smart feature. When you are pointing under antenna, system will let you know what is the balance quantity we have under stock card or any quantity in sales order and so on. So when you are switching to another item code, it will be switch the information to. So this is the way how you check.
Okay, last question. Is it any report easy for me to check the pending sales order?
We go to sales, we can go to report, and we go to back order report. So under here, we can choose outstanding sales order and you can choose the date. And beside that, just now we have set the delivery date, right? So from here, we also can set a reminder and you can looking for it if you want to see today up to date any reminder sales order need to deliver to. Okay, let's say I untick all the date. That is mean I select all the sales order and remember to tick print outstanding item. Click on apply. So after that, go to preview and choose the document and press OK. This will be the outcome of outstanding sales order listing. From the example here, we can see AB Enterprise order for Nokia 3350 on this date, and they are still outstanding. And also for Alpha and Beta Computer, they are ordered for handphone cover. So original they order for 10, but only deliver 3, and there's outstanding of 7 quantity. So this is the way how you check the outstanding. So make sure there's no outstanding before you convert it into a DO. Thank you.